In this video, we are going to see that if we want to change the download default location in Microsoft Edge, here's how we can easily do it. So if you download the file and every time it is going to the default downloads folder and you basically don't want to see it in the downloads folder, or you feel it much safer to save it in another drive rather than C drive, so that you don't have to worry about moving the files before reinstalling the Windows, let's say. Here's how we can do this. First of all, let's click on this 3 dots on the right hand corner and click on the settings. And on the left hand side, we click on this downloads option. From here, the download location is selected by default. We want to change this. So let's change this. Let's say we want to save it to a D drive and my downloads, whatever is the name. Select the folder and just exit out of here. And now let's check it back. So there you go. Also, what you can do is you can ask where to save each file before even downloading. So you can toggle that option too. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.